A powerful system like a 5-ton R-32 AC and gas furnace is only as good as its installation. Let's get it right. First up, sizing matters. A 5-ton AC provides 60,000 BTUs of cooling per hour, perfect for large spaces, but only if you've done a proper manual J-load calculation. Oversizing? You'll waste energy. Undersizing? Say goodbye to comfort. Next, choose high SEER and AFUE-rated systems. Look for a SEER of 15 or higher and an AFUE of at least 90% to save on energy bills while staying cozy. And with R-32 refrigerant, you're not just energy efficient, you're planet-friendly too. Now on to installation. R-32 is mildly flammable, so certified professionals only, please. Ensure refrigerant lines are sized correctly, usually 7/8 for suction and 3/8 for liquid, and leak tested. For the outdoor condenser, a stable, level pad with 24 clearance all around is a must for proper airflow. For the gas furnace, placement is key. Maintain clearances, 1 on the sides, 6 on top, and install a dedicated gas line with venting that meets code. And don't skip matching the furnace's BTU output to your home's needs. Typically, 80,000 to 100,000 BTUs does the job for a 5-ton system. Finally, ductwork and thermostats make or break efficiency. Proper duct sizing ensures steady airflow, while a smart thermostat or zoning system gives you precise control and saves energy. Before you wrap up, test everything: airflow, refrigerant charge, thermostat settings, and schedule regular maintenance. Remember, a well-installed R-32 AC and gas furnace means comfort, efficiency, and savings. Plus, with rebates and tax credits, your wallet will thank you too. Ready to upgrade? Let's make it happen.